Everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to fix the subtitle problem in Sony Bravia TV. So as you can see here on my desktop I have one video sample and a subtitle. Okay, so let's play it. Okay, let's set the subtitle. So as you can see here, the subtitle is properly working on the desktop. Now let's try to play it on the TV. So I have plugged in the USB drive to my TV, and here we have the video file, and let's play it. Okay, so as you can see here, the subtitles are not coming. It tells that the subtitles are not available. Okay, so let's go back to the desktop and fix this problem. What we need to do here is the name of the video file and the name of the subtitle should be same name. So let's copy this name. Okay, and paste here. So now both the files have the same name. That's it. Okay, so when we will play this video on the TV, the subtitle will get automatically picked up. Okay, so let's see that. Yeah, so we are back on the TV and let's play this video again. Yeah, so as you can see that the subtitle is working fine now. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.